Yo, what's up producers, it's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video I'm about to show you how you can make some loops like Palace, Southside, Edo Mafia, and yeah, so we can start. As you can see, I placed here a D sharp minor scale, so you can just see what notes I'm playing, so you can follow what scale I'm using, and it's gonna be like a much easier for you to start making music, Okay, so about I choose 3 sounds here. Everything is from Nexus. I have to decide what I'm going to use here, but I just took here some pads, so as you can see. So let's make something dark. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so usually when you are like placing chords, you can follow the rule like skip one, place one. So you can, for example, take place the root note, and you can skip one, place one, skip one, place one, skip one, place one, skip one, and all the way like that. And as you can see, why I can place here, because if I start from D sharp 6, if I skip on this, I can play here. So doesn't matter, you can start from the top, from the bottom, everything is gonna be same. So let's start. Okay, this sounds already fire, so I'm just going to loop this. Maybe put this note loud down a little bit. It sounds already fire. I'm going to, so usually when I'm making like a 4-bar loop, I'm just going to change something at the end of the second bar, so it's just not being repetitive too much. Okay, I'm going to do like this. Okay, let's hear now. Okay, it's already sounding fire. It's really fire. So maybe I can use some of these. Or these are not working. Some of these are not working. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, this one sounds cool. Okay, let's see, maybe some strings. So usually you can hear probably these type of loops. You can hear always, I think, the strings. So yeah, let's use strings this time. And probably I'm going to make something faster here. Maybe I can do like this. I can do like this. I'm just going to repeat this all the time, so to be much faster, and I can probably change something here. And I can, maybe when I do this, I can just pitch for an octave up or down, whatever. So it's gonna be much interesting, different. That's it for the melodies. I think this sounds really cool. And what I can add, it's sometimes it's just best to take the layers to give more power to the same sound. So that's what I'm going to do with these strings. I'm just going to copy everything here, and after that I'm just going to place the same notes but with a different sound. Okay, let's see what we got here. I like this chill zone. I'll always use it. I think I'm using preset this one 3, or it was different one. Oh yeah, it's 2. So to get this sound, it's from Nexus, as you can see, chill zone 2. And when you go to the mix, turn off this one, and make sure and turn off this 3 if it's enabled, and you'll have something like this. And now you'll have to EQ it a little bit, so just to turn off these unnecessary frequencies, and we can place it right here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 Okay, so this is it for now. So I'm going to split by channel. Now it's time to make something different. I'm going to keep these pads, and I'm going to try something with this counter melody. Of course, first I'm going to use EQ here, and to cut off these unnecessary frequencies here. Now I'm going to show you a really cool fast trick for reverse melodies. You can go here on tools, click flip. When you do that, you'll have something like this. And I'm going to quick render as audio clip this one, and then I'm going to reverse it like this. Click here, let's hear it. Maybe I can pitch it up. Let's see how this will sound. It just doesn't matter what you are going to do, when it sounds good, doesn't matter what you did. Okay, this sounds cool, but I'm going to use some effects here. Maybe like maybe gross beat or something like that. Or even I have a portal here. Let's see what we can add here. Okay, maybe let's try gross beat, because it's really simple. Let's see how this will sound with halftime. I think it was better without. I'm going to use EQ also on this pad. I'm going to use maybe some RC20 here, or you can use something different. Doesn't matter. I just wanted to add this little bit wobble, distortion, and space to get to give more wideness, and also reverb that here. You can add reverb, so you hear that. Yeah, also I'm going to use again EQ2, because we did some changes here, and now we have to again EQ to get rid of that unnecessary frequencies. Okay, that's it for now. Now we got the last one. Let's quick render as audio clip as well. Let's place it, and now I can use the same effects and just to check it out how this will sound with these effects here. Okay, this sounds also fire. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this one and make this unique. So I'm going to pitch this down, so I will have two different variations of the same melody, and it's going to be like much better for arrangement and stuff like that. Now let's just arrange this. So I can maybe place like this. I can maybe place like this just for example. I think this one is gonna be cool. This can be like an intro. I guess we can this melody. I have this melody. Yeah. Maybe we can just replace it like this. Now it's time to make some velocities and stuff like that to mix it, to get that power, but you can just use EQ2 and just some volumes to cut off on these unnecessary frequencies. And I'm going to show you one more trick. So when you export the melody, so let's export it here. That's melody, for example. Let's wait. Okay, there's test melody. Here's test melody. Copy here. We got the melody, and you can pitch it down or pitch it up, but go between the whole numbers. For example, I usually go between 200 and 300. So maybe here. Let's hear it now. So now you can hear like it's everything. I mean, it's basically the same, but Now it's totally different vibe when you pitch down the melody. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll learn something. I hope you enjoyed this melody making. As you can see, it's really simple, it's really basic, nothing too much. Just stack some layers, play a simple melody, dark melody, and you're ready to go. In the next video, I'm about to make some drums for this beat, and after that we are going to complete this beat. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.